What's up, guys? My name is Alvaro, and I put an 80-gallon tank in my diesel truck.
Which one? Selena?
Selena.
Okay. And what does that have to do with it?
And I want to fill up tonight because diesel is so cheap. I'm gonna go fill it up. You guys gonna watch me spend close to?
How much do you think you're gonna fill up with?
I don't know. Whoever guesses it close enough wins $100 from Alvaro.
How many do you think Selena will get filled up? Wait, this is a truck stop. Edwin,
Where mango? Monday.
it hasn't stopped. Tell it to stop, Edwin.
I need a popcorn. I need a drink. I need my seat to watch.
So you're gonna be camping here because it's gonna take forever to fucking fill up.
I should have bought my truck. My truck has a camper.
Truck goes both ways. Edwin, it hasn't stopped. Why? Why doesn't it stop?
You know what? I think the sun's gonna come out pretty soon.
So you're saying you wanted me flexing, but you want me flexing this way. This is flexing.
The new flex.
Oh, fuck you, Edwin. I haven't filled up the truck since pre-COVID. With this, we could go all the way to Mexico.
I'm back.
I'm back. Oh shit! That's it, Edwin. Stop.
Let me pull out.
$571. Fucking Selena. Clean my windshield? Can you clean my windshield?
Yeah.
See, I spend this much money in gas and I can't get a free windshield wash.
Just to make sure.
Make sure clean the front too, good.
Nope. Cost you extra.
I'll give you a $30 tip.
Would it be $30?
I'll give it to you. Happy, Edwin?
Nope.
Why?
I haven't got my ice cream yet.
You want an ice cream after I fucking take you to the most expensive place?
Yes.
Che cabrón. Say what's up.
What's up?